ones they echo on. My thoughts are spinning on and on my head. It seems they lead me back to you. I keep coming back to you.
Dean, I promise to be faithful, loyal, and to serve you for the rest of my life. Nandito lang ako sa tabi mo. Yung mga walkouts ko, babawasan ko na.
Now we lose control. In circles around we go.
Okay.
We become who we are.
Thank you sa gift mo na travel. Ma-enjoy natin magkasama.
Anniversary natin today. Alam mo ba? Nakalimutan mo na. Ilang years na ba tayo? 13 years na tayo magkakilala. Ayun. And I can say, hindi ko namalayan ang 13 years. Kasi siguro, masaya talaga akong kasama ka.
Took the morning ride, got
Team, today, standing here with you, I promise to love you without condition, to laugh with you in moments of joy, and to lift you in times of sorrow. I vow to be your partner in all things, to grow with you, to support your dreams as if they were my own, and to face whatever life brings with us with courage and grace.
home to you. You're all I need, the very air I breathe. You are. Oh, 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 oh.
Mga pagsubok ay bahagi ng buhay mag-asawa. Ngunit ang mahalaga ay kung paano ninyo ito haharapin. Sa pamamagitan ng pagpapatawad, paghahanap ng pagkakasunduan at patuloy na pagmamahal.
The skies and all of the answers.
These aren't just beautiful pieces, they were chosen with love, each carrying a special message. I hope every time you wear them, you're reminded of how special you are and how deeply you are loved. Oh my God! Oh my gosh! Sean, okay.
I found a way home. 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 So I'm coming home to you. You're all I need, the very air I breathe. Oh, 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 oh. Coming home to you. You're all I need, the very air I breathe. You are
Alam ko, it's not easy to love me. Pero nagtataka pa rin ako, bakit nandyan ka pa rin? Bakit you always try to understand me? Doon ko naisip ang kahulugan ng biblical love. Love is patient. Love is kind. It does not envy. It does not boast. It is not proud. It does not dishonor others. It is not self-seeking. It is not easily angered. It keeps no record of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices with the truth. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, and always perseveres. And sa ating dalawa, ikaw ang tunay na nagsabuhay ng verse na to. And I promise, with God's help, I'll do my best to follow it too.
Story goes red like a fable, wishing that it could be true. Wanted to, but I wasn't able
Ayan na, inumpisahan.
to translate. Light up the highway, signal me down. When you're somewhere down the road, feel like a follow you into the night, and you chase down the golden sun. Light up the highway, feel the
I promise to listen, to learn, and to always communicate with honesty. I chose you today and every day. And I promise to walk beside you for the rest of our lives.
You are a reflection of God in my life. Lagi kong sinasabi yun sa'yo. And for that, I'm so grateful. You are selfless, humble, caring. Thank you for keeping me grounded. You are the source of both my inis and mostly my happiness. I love you, Bebe.
love song.